Good evening, everyone. We want to thank all of you for letting us be part of your lives. Sharing your deepest struggles with us means a lot because it shows how much you trust us. What you have experienced over the 18 weeks isn't about solving your problems right away, but equipping you to process what you're going through, unlearn unhealthy habits, and adapt new ways to deal with challenges that you will be facing. We must rely on the Holy Spirit to give us strength whenever we encounter difficulties. We have provided you with a tool and made you aware of where these issues originate, which cause us to depend on our default responses. We showed you that there is an alternative way to handle adversity and that we can trust the outcome to God because He is faithful. We also want to thank our devoted, glorious Hope Discipler life coaches who were once participants like you and now dedicated their lives to walking alongside you in your walk with God. They took the time to prepare for this GH run. They went through training, they went through briefing, and all these things no, in order to make your stay with us, your experience with us, really fruitful and productive. They prayed for you every session. And in order just to walk alongside you, thank you to all of you. Thank you for your trust and for being part of us. Thank you all.